Ever wondered how the world keeps moving, how the goods you need find their way to you? It's all in the magic of efficient cargo services. Welcome to our world, where we redefine efficiency and convenience in cargo movement. Imagine a service that takes the worry out of your import business. A service that handles everything from commercial to household items with the same level of care and professionalism. That's what we offer at our cargo service. We provide an express cargo service that moves your goods from China to Pakistan, door to door, by air. We aren't just about speed, we're about delivering quality service every step of the way. Our unique features set us apart. We aren't just another cargo service, we're your partner in business. We make sure your goods are handled with care, packaged securely, and delivered promptly. We offer tracking services, so you're never in the dark about where your goods are or when they will arrive. We understand that in your business, time is money. That's why we ensure quick clearance through customs, taking the hassle out of importation. We respect your deadlines and work tirelessly to meet them. We're more than just a cargo service, we're a team of dedicated professionals committed to making your business run smoothly. We understand the challenges of importation, and we're here to make it easier for you. Isn't it time you experienced a new level of service? Step into the future of cargo services. Try our service today and feel the difference. We're ready to move your world. Try us today. Your goods, our care. Delivered.